Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the water cycle. Where does the Earth's water come from? When we look at this, the Earth's water is made up of 96.5% in the oceans, 1.7% is in lakes, rivers, streams, and soil. 1.7% is in polar ice caps, glaciers, and permanent snow. And less than 0.001% is in the vapor in the Earth's atmosphere. So the water cycle, where does it come from? The water cycle is the path that all of the Earth's water follows through different states on our planet. There's a solid state, a liquid state, and a gaseous state. The solid state is made up of the snow and ice. It's found in glaciers at both the North and South poles. Liquid state is found in our oceans, rivers, and lakes. The gaseous state, water vapor, is found in the atmosphere. Water cycle terms. So we've got evaporation, transpiration, condensation, and precipitation. These are the 4 different stages that water goes through during the cycle. Evaporation is the liquid water on the Earth that turns into vapor in the atmosphere. Transpiration is water that comes from plants that enters the atmosphere when the plants breathe. Condensation is the water vapor that rises and cools to liquid and forms clouds. And precipitation is when the clouds that form because of the oversaturated water and they can't hold anymore, they release that water from rain to snow. So here's kind of a cool diagram of the Earth's water cycle. So if we look, you can see where there's different lakes and rivers and the ocean, and it shows you the ice sheets and different glaciers up here. Down here it shows you where the groundwater is stored, and it's going to show you through these little different arrows how the water kind of cycles through the Earth. So you've got your fresh water in the lakes and rivers, and that kind of trickles down into your oceans. And when the oceans get oversaturated or whatever, precipitation and evaporation, well, first I guess it starts with evaporation, which turns into all of that extra water vapor up in the Earth's atmosphere, and then that will oversaturate the clouds and turn to precipitation, which then comes back down to the Earth, and it comes down in either snow or rain, and it kind of starts that whole cycle all over again. And why do we care about the water cycle? We care about the water cycle because it's necessary for all living things. There's water in the soil, there's water in our atmosphere, water in our oceans, and it's so important because every living thing thrives off of water.